Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error at a hooking API and NtProtectVirtualMemory dumping first 32 bytes in Genshin Impact on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what I suggest you to do here, you need to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to do that, first you just need to open up search, go to settings, go to Windows Update, and then you need to look if there is an update for you. As you can see here, there's an update for me, so I just need to basically update my computer, update my operating system, and restart my computer. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending of course on what you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is a GeForce experience to that. If you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon. You just need to go to drivers and then here check for updates, and if there is an update for you, you need to download and install as well. You can do it through I believe Device Manager as well. You just need to go to Device Manager, and on this window here you need to go to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU, update driver, search automatically, and if there is an update for you, it will be here, right? And after you update your GPU operating system, you restart your computer, and if you're facing the problem, what you need to do here next is to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, and then here you just need to write a cfc/scan now, right? And as you can see here, it begins to scan, and after the scan is complete, you need to restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, I highly advise you to just reinstall Genshin Impact. And to do so, you just need to go to apps, or you just need to go to settings, then apps, installed apps. Here you need to look for Genshin Impact, right click on it, uninstall, and then you need to open a browser, and then you just need to write Genshin Impact download, something like that, and then probably it will be the first link, genshin.hioverse.com, and here you can download for PC and reinstall your game, and it should work for you, right? So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.